Enable or disable message time restrictions to control when your messages are sent. Adjust the open time to define the earliest point messages can reach your audience. Pick your preferred start time for outbound messages to meet your schedule. Set the close time to stop messages from sending during out-of-hours periods. Fine-tune your communication window by adjusting the nightly cutoff time. Toggle auto recharge to ensure your account always has enough credits for messaging. Easily select or update your auto recharge amount to match your business needs. Increase your auto recharge limit for seamless campaigns without interruptions. Turn on in-app notifications to stay instantly informed about every new message. Quickly enable or disable in-app alerts for real-time updates right on your dashboard.